What's up, viewers? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. So, this was an unexpected day, guys. Me and my friend, we had some other work, and randomly we stopped at the Mercedes Benz showroom in Kasturba Road, and there it was, the GLE 53 AMG Coupe. This is an all new car, guys. It was launched, I think, a couple of days back. So the price is 1 crore 20 lakh ex showroom, and the on road price is 1 crore 51 lakh 50,000 rupees. So you can keep it as 1 crore 52 lakhs. That's the on road price in Bangalore. So I didn't have my GoPro that day, so I just took a video on my phone. So if the clarity or quality is not good, I hope you understand. So coming to the car that we saw, this is the one. I think the color is called emerald green, but damn guys, just look at this car. I think in the video it doesn't look as big as it is. This is the key. It's a typical Mercedes Benz key. And now just look at this turbo, and the front tires are 275/45 section, and it's got 21-inch alloy wheels. The design is amazing, guys. And look at the badging here, Turbo 4matic. So the power of the car, I'll tell that to you in a second. Now let's open the door. The interior is also superb. We got the AMG badging here. So this is a proper AMG car. It's a sports coupe style car, and there you can see dual screens. And now going to the back seat, it has decent amount of legroom and headroom. The previous AMG was short in headroom, but this car, even if a person is 6 feet tall, he can sit comfortably in the rear seat. And the seats are leather and Alcantara mixed. Coming to the rear of the car, wow, it's got quad tip exhausts, and we got the GLE 53 badging here, and the AMG badging that side. The exhaust sound is also crazy. And this is the boot. It's not bad, it's not a very big boot, but yeah, it's more than enough. And it's got powered tailgate also, so with the press of a button it goes down. Now coming to the driver's side of the car, before that, so these are the AMG exhaust strips. There's a button inside the car. If you press that button, the exhaust, you can like increase the sound or decrease the sound. So that's a cool feature, and the exhaust is awesome. Just listen to this exhaust note, guys. This is the stock exhaust, and imagine if you put an aftermarket exhaust, it's going to sound insane. Now coming to the driver's seat, just look at the interior. Mercedes Benz, it's everything is changing in their lineup, and it is for the better actually. Look at the screens here, Mercedes Benz logo, AMG that side. You got a decent sized infotainment. Not a decent sized, it's a pretty big infotainment system. And let me start the car now. There are so many things, guys. I didn't go in detail with the different menus and all that, but there are lots and lots of options and features that we can see. Here we can rear view mirror. That's it. Let me turn off the car and get down. So coming to the power, this is a inline 6-cylinder engine, 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. It's got 435 horsepower, and it's also paired to a 45-volt mild hybrid system that adds around 22 horsepower more. So you can say it's around 457 horsepower, and 0 to 100 in 5.3 seconds, and the top speed is limited to 250 kilometers per hour. This car, I think, is value for money. The other car is in this segment is the BMW X6, and that is also a 3-liter engine, but the power is just 340 horsepower, and it's not a M car also, it's just the M Sport version, that's all. So the on-road price of the BMW X6 is 1 crore 22 or 23 lakhs, and for 30 lakhs more you're getting a proper sports SUV, sports coupe SUV. So I think the GLE is value for money. You can get 2 GLE coupes for the price of one G63. The tires are huge, guys. The rear tire is 315 section tires, 315/40, and that was a huge tire. And the infotainment, like I told you, it was awesome. And there's a feature wherein you can lift the car, you can increase the height, and if you cross a certain speed the car will lower itself for aerodynamics and all that. This car, when I saw the pictures I didn't like it that much, but when I went and saw it in the showroom, my god, I'm simply blown away. And the interior, it feels so luxurious. It has the Burmester sound system. It's got all the bells and whistles that you need. It's like a proper sports car, guys. There is no doubt in that. Which one do you think is a better buy? For 1 crore 20 lakhs, you'll be getting the X6, but with a 340 horsepower engine. And for 1 crore 52 lakhs, you'll be getting a GLE 53 coupe, which has close to 450 horsepower. Look wise, sports coupes are not for everyone. Not everyone will like the design of the car, but for me, this is just my personal opinion. Both the cars look amazing. I personally like the styling of sports coupe SUVs. So yeah, guys, there you go. I hope you liked the video. If you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.